Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 20, and today I will show you how to wipe cache on this device. So to get started, we will need to shut off the phone, so hold the power key and then select power off. So now the device will indicate with the vibration that it has shut off, and once you hear that, you can hold power key and volume up both together at the same time. Now keep holding it even though you'll see the logo. Okay, and you can let go. So we're right now in the recovery mode, and here you can use either just touch the option that you want to choose or use volume keys to navigate like so, and power key to confirm. So with that in mind, select wipe cache partition right here, and you don't need to confirm anything. You just tap on it and it goes through and goes back to the recovery mode, and then tap on reboot system now and wait for the device to actually boot back up into the Android system. So once it's back on, the process will be fully finished. Okay, just gonna put in my code and we're basically done. So that is how you would wipe cache on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.